Hi learners. Today we see about one interesting topic, that is fractional distillation. In this name, from this name we also identified what is going to see fractional. So part distillation means separation. Step by step or part by part separation method is fractional distillation. Is a type of distillation. It's used for the separation of miscible liquids. Yesterday we seeing about the miscible liquids. For separation of miscible liquids, only used for this technique, fractional distillation. This process involves the repeated types of distillation and condensation of mixture into component parts. That means the mixture is heated to certain temperature where the fraction of mixture is start to vaporize. Principle of fractional distillation. Normally, vapor composition of any liquid does not remain equal to liquid composition. When mixture is heated, the liquid with the lower boiling point converts to vapor. More volatile components remains in vapor state longer than liquid component. This method is repeatedly done for the distillation and condensation techniques, and the mixture is separated into component parts. This basic principle of this type of distillation is different liquids boil and evaporate at different temperature. So mixture is heated and substance with the lower boiling point start to boil first and convert to vapors. Fractional distillation procedure. For fractional distillation apparatus, we locate the distilled flask, condenser, receiver, fractionating column, thermometer, and heat source. After setting up the apparatus, the two miscible liquids are taken in the A and B are taken in the condenser, and the burner is the solution is allowed to heat, and the temperature is maintained by using the thermometer. After the heat is applied, they increase the temperature slowly. The mixture start boiling and the vapor start moving to the condenser and cooled using the peaker. This collected in the receiver. Throughout the process, vaporization and condensation take place repeatedly until two mixtures are separated completely. For industrial, this type of apparatus is used for this bulk type of large scale distillation process. We also know about the fractional distillation of crude oil. For the in the crude oil, there is an paraffin works, gasoline, diesel, naphtha, lubricating oil, and kerosene. The distillation process helps in the separating these components effectively. Like that condenser, crude oil is added to the chamber with high pressure and steam. The mixture started to boiling, the vapor formed. At certain point, gas, petrol, naphtha, kerosene, diesel, and bitumen was also collected from this immiscible solution of crude oil. What are the application of fractional distillation? The fractional distillation is used for the purification of water as well as separating ethanol and water. And the fractional distillation is used to several industries like oil refineries and chemical plants for mainly for the purification and separation of many organic compounds. The fractional distillation also used for the separation of liquefied air, and the components like nitrogen and oxygen as well as concentrated organs are obtained. This distillation process used for the high purity of silicon from chlorosilanes. The silanes widely used in the semiconductors. In today, we see about the water's fractional distillation and how the fractional distillation setup arranged in laboratory and launched in the scale application, how crude oil separated using the fractional distillation method into many other components, and what are the application of fractional distillation. So we have clear idea about fractional distillation. In next class, we see another important topic. Thank you for watching and keep watching regularly. Thank you.